Hello all. Today I'll walk you through how to set up the uh, Selenium Webdriver and how to write the first program, Webdriver program. So first we will need Java. You can take latest Java, and then other than Java there will be Eclipse, which is IDE for Java coding, which is editor for coding the coding programs. And third one is Java Selenium libraries. And other than that, like if you want to automate the website on particular browser, then you need the specific browser. For Firefox browser we don't need any specific download, because it has inbuilt functionality for a WebDriver. And I'm using Chromedriver for your demo, so I'll use we need for that one we need Chromedriver exe. Okay, so Selenium directly contacts to the Chromedriver using this Chromedriver exe. Okay, so once we install all these things, I'll provide the links in the video description. You can go through that and you can download the respective functionality or the program. Okay, so once you install all these, then you directly need to go to the Eclipse. So I am opening Eclipse here. Okay, and it is opening. Once you open the Eclipse, you can see it shows one window where we need to provide the workspace is nothing but it is a directory in which you are providing all your project related files, the Java files and other things like the directory structure. So it will give you the default workspace. If you want, you can change it from the browse section. Okay, so I am keeping as it is. I'll just launch here. Once you select that workspace, it will navigate to that particular project directory. It is launching. Once it opens, it will show you the at the left side, it will show you the navigator. For you, if you are opening it for first time, there will be nothing here in the directory sections, navigator section, and the right side you will see the home page. And so now we will create the new project here. We need to go to file, new, and here you need to select new Java projects. Okay, I'll just give it name as basics 1, and I'll just finish it. Okay, so it will create new Java project. You can see here basic 1 is created. It has some default project directory structure once you create it. And after this we need to add the libraries here, Java libraries and the Selenium libraries which we downloaded already. So I'll just right click on that and select the properties, and under properties we need to go to Java build path. Okay, so it already has added here, but okay, so and we need to just go to the add library here, and normally it adds your default JRE there, or the you can see here JRE 1.8 is already added, and this is default addition, so you don't need to manually add it. And then you need to go to the add external jars and go to the respective Selenium Java directory where you already downloaded the libraries for the Selenium Java. So you need to add these two, and there will be some other libraries or jar files under lib section, so you need to add those all. So you can see here it is already added all required jar libraries. Okay, so I'll just apply and close. And if I go here in basics 1 section, I'll just need to go to new, then select class there, and you need to write the class name here. I'll just add as test1. Okay, and it should be public, and for Java program there has to be a class which has public static void main, one class. So for this one we are adding only one program, so we are adding this public static void main string s. Okay, and we'll just click on finish. Okay, so here you can see you added this public static void main. You can see this is already a default structure, it printed there. It has package and the class name which is same as the Java program, and it has a method, main method here. Okay, so what we'll do, under this comment we'll just write down one one println system, which should be like this: system dot out. It is taking time, 1 minute. Out. So what Eclipse does, it gives you some options which you can select from this one. So instead of selecting entering manually your options or proposals which you can select, so it saves your time. So system.out.println we need to write. Okay, and under the round bracket you need to write whatever you want to print. Test print. So this is only Java program. Okay, and if you want to use WebDriver, you need to write specific program or the code for that one. So I'll just for use testing the Chrome browser, you need to set the property for Chromedriver. So it should be like okay, I'll just add comment. It will say set the property for Chromedriver. Okay, under this I'll write the respective code. Okay, so it should be system dot set property, which is that second last option, and under key you need to write particular statement here or the code here under double quotes. It should be WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Okay, then semicolon, double it should be closed with double quote, and then there will be semicolon, and under section of second option you need to write double colon, and you need to write the path of that Chromedriver which you already downloaded from the respective website. Okay, so I already have it as it at this particular directory. 1 minute, it is not responding. Okay, so it is present at this particular directory. I'll just copy that path and I'll go to the program here and I'll just paste here. If you remove, you see here it added one extra backslash here. Okay, in between the directories. This is the actually forwarding rule. So we need to add, instead of single it should be double, or if you want single only, then instead of backslash you need to write single forward slash. Okay, so I am writing only double slash backslash. Okay, and at the end you need to write this particular exe name with its extension. I'll write exe here and I'll end it with semicolon, and once it is done we need to initialize the driver. So I'll just write WebDriver. We need to write the driver name whatever you want. So for this one I'll just write dr. Okay, whatever you want you can write down, and then equal to new Chrome driver, round bracket close and round bracket, and if you see here at the left hand side it gave you one error here, and it also provides some suggestions or the okay, so you need to click on that. It will show you we need to import the WebDriver function. So I'll just double click it. So it is gone now. WebDriver error is gone, but there is one more error for Chromedriver. So I'll just click on it again, and when it is saying, okay, there is one typo. So instead of Chromedriver, I write Chromer here. So once I'll just remove that one extra R, and here you can see it is asking us to import the Chromedriver. So we need to import. So we have initialized the DR now, but we need to use it to launch any website. We need to use get method. Okay, so we need to write dr dot. It will provide you all the methods available. So dr dot we need to write get. Okay, and round bracket, close, starting and closing round bracket, and here we need to write your specific website under in the double quotes. We need to write complete website path. Okay, so we need to write http and respect to website path www.google.com. so what it will done, it will launch the website. Okay, and then I'll just write down one println statement. So there is one shortcut key. So once instead of writing system.print.ln, we can write sys out and then just press Ctrl and space. So it will convert that to the complete statement there. Okay, so this is just one shortcut key, and again in system.println we will write Google is launch. Okay, so this is our sample. I'll just save it. Now I'll run that one. Okay, it gave an error. Just a minute, I'll check. Okay, there was one issue with the library files. Okay, so I just again added the respective library files for Selenium Webdriver Java library files. I'll just run it again. You can see it is running now. And okay, so it print the first println statement. Now it will launch the google.com. Okay, so it is initializing. You can see it in the console. Give it a minute. Okay, so it launched the web Chromedriver, and it will navigate you to the www.google.com. Okay, you can see here it navigated you to the google.com here now, and also it must have printed the last statement. Okay, Google is launched. So this is how we can set up the web Selenium Webdriver with Eclipse IDE. Okay, so this is our sample program. You can just go through that. If you have any questions, just let me know on your comment section. Okay, yeah, thank you.